Fatty liver disease is a common and potentially serious condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It occurs when excess fat accumulates in the liver, potentially leading to inflammation and liver damage. Fortunately, adopting a healthy diet is a cornerstone of managing and even reversing fatty liver disease. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore a diverse range of essential recipes tailored to promote liver health through delicious and mindful eating. These recipes not only prioritize nutrition, but also celebrate flavor and variety, making the journey to better liver health a culinary adventure. By incorporating these dishes into your daily meals, you can embark on a path towards improved liver function and overall well-being. Check the link in description, which is best recommendation for how to cure fatty liver, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Watch till end. Number 1. Baked salmon with lemon and herbs. Salmon, a fatty fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, stands out as a superstar ingredient for liver health. Omega-3s are known for their potential to reduce liver fat and inflammation. This recipe takes a fresh salmon fillet and elevates it with the zingy combination of freshly squeezed lemon juice and aromatic herbs like rosemary and thyme. The result is a flavorful and healthful dish that supports your liver while tantalizing your taste buds. Number 2. Grilled vegetable salad. A colorful grilled vegetable salad is a feast for both the eyes and the liver. Bell peppers, zucchini, and eggplant are loaded with fiber and antioxidants, which aid in liver detoxification. Grilling not only enhances the flavors of these vegetables, but also adds a delightful smokiness. This salad serves as a tasty and nutritious way to increase your vegetable intake and support your liver's well-being. Number 3. Quinoa and black bean bowl. Quinoa, a nutrient-packed grain, forms the foundation of this wholesome bowl. Paired with protein-rich black beans, an assortment of fresh vegetables, and a zesty dressing, it offers a balanced meal that promotes liver health. Quinoa's high fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, an essential aspect of liver care. This recipe provides a delicious and satisfying way to incorporate liver-friendly ingredients into your diet. Number 4. Turmeric and ginger tea. Turmeric and ginger are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties and potential benefits for liver health. Brewing a warm and comforting cup of turmeric and ginger tea is not only a soothing experience, but also a smart choice for introducing these potent spices into your daily routine. These ingredients are believed to support liver detoxification and reduce inflammation, making this tea a delightful and healthful addition to your diet. Number 5. Broccoli and cauliflower soup. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower contain compounds that support liver detoxification processes. This creamy soup combines the natural goodness of these vegetables with a hint of richness and depth. By incorporating this soup into your meals, you can enjoy a flavorful and nutritious way to support your liver's well-being while savoring every spoonful. Number 6. Avocado and spinach smoothie. Avocado, a treasure trove of healthy fats and antioxidants, can be a valuable addition to a diet aimed at improving liver health. This smoothie blends nutrient-rich spinach, a ripe banana, and creamy almond milk with the buttery richness of avocado. The result is a satisfying and liver-friendly smoothie that not only nourishes your body, but also delights your palate. Incorporating this recipe into your routine is an enjoyable way to prioritize your liver's health. Number 7. Garlic and herb roasted chicken. Lean protein sources like chicken are essential components of a liver-boosting diet. This recipe takes the simplicity of roasted chicken and elevates it with the aromatic notes of garlic and a medley of herbs. The combination not only enhances flavor, but also provides a hearty and healthful option for those looking to support their liver. By choosing this dish, you can savor a wholesome meal that contributes to your overall well-being. Number 8. Cucumber and mint-infused water. Staying well hydrated is fundamental to maintaining proper liver function. This recipe offers a refreshing twist on hydration by infusing your water with crisp cucumber slices and the invigorating essence of fresh mint leaves. The result is not only a thirst-quenching beverage, but also a detoxifying elixir that supports your liver as you sip. Incorporating cucumber and mint-infused water into your daily routine is a flavorful and healthful way to prioritize your liver's needs. Number 9. Lentil and vegetable stew. Lentils are nutritional powerhouses, rich in plant-based protein and fiber. This hearty stew combines the wholesome goodness of lentils with an array of colorful vegetables, resulting in a filling and liver-friendly meal. The combination of protein and fiber in lentils promotes satiety and stable blood sugar levels, making them a valuable addition to your diet for liver health. By enjoying this stew, you can indulge in a satisfying and nutritious dish that aligns with your liver wellness goals. Number 10. Greek yogurt parfait with berries. Greek yogurt is a probiotic-rich food that supports a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn can benefit your liver. This recipe layers creamy Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey for a delectable and probiotic-packed parfait. The combination not only satisfies your taste buds, but also offers a nutritious and flavorful way to prioritize your liver's health. Incorporating this parfait into your breakfast or snack routine can be a delightful step toward better liver function. Number 11. Roasted beet and walnut salad. Beets are celebrated for their liver-cleansing properties, and this salad showcases their vibrant flavors and benefits. Roasted beets are paired with crunchy walnuts and dressed with a light vinaigrette, creating a nutritious and flavorful dish that's gentle on your liver. By savoring this salad, you can enjoy a wholesome meal that promotes liver health while relishing the natural sweetness and textures of the ingredients. Number 12. Baked sweet potatoes with cinnamon. Sweet potatoes are a valuable source of complex carbohydrates and fiber. Baking them with a sprinkle of cinnamon enhances their natural sweetness and introduces a touch of liver-loving spice. This simple yet delightful side dish is not only nutritious, but also a satisfying addition to your liver-conscious diet. By incorporating baked sweet potatoes into your meals, you can savor a flavorful and healthful option that aligns with your liver wellness goals. In conclusion, fatty liver disease is a prevalent and concerning condition, but it can be managed and even reversed through a combination of healthy dietary choices and lifestyle modifications. The recipes presented in this guide are carefully crafted to prioritize liver health while appealing to your taste buds. By incorporating these dishes into your daily meals, you embark on a flavorful journey toward improved liver function and overall well-being. Remember that maintaining a diet that supports your liver's health is a proactive step in managing this condition. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized guidance, especially if you have underlying medical conditions or are taking specific medications. The recipes provided here offer a diverse array of flavors, ingredients, and meal options to make your journey to better liver health both nutritious and enjoyable. By adopting these recipes into your daily routine, you not only nourish your liver, but also savor the pleasures of wholesome and delicious food. Check the link in description, which is best recommendation for thee, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.